In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shouting voice effect in ElevenLabs text-to-speech. We'll start by opening the ElevenLabs website in your browser. Once you're on the homepage and signed in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and open the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll do all the typing and generation for your audio. Before you start writing your script, make one quick adjustment to the model. Change it to 11v3 alpha. This model is designed to handle expressive cues more reliably, including the shouting effect we're after. Next, pick the voice you want. You can use a default voice or one you've created, just make sure it matches the tone of your project. A friendly voice works well for narration, while a more intense voice can make the shout feel extra impactful. Now type your script into the main text box. When you want a section to sound like it's being shouted, insert a cue directly into the text by typing a tag like shout, shouting, or scream. Place the tag immediately before the words you want emphasized. For example, you might write, shout. Everybody listen. Keep the shouted segment relatively short for clarity, and then continue your normal text right after. You can mix normal delivery and shouting within the same paragraph this way. When your text looks good, click Generate Speech. ElevenLabs will process your script and automatically apply a shouting tone to the segments marked with your chosen tag. If the result feels too intense, try replacing scream with shout for a lighter emphasis. If it's not strong enough, try scream for more force. Punctuation helps here too. Exclamation marks and short, punchy phrases tend to sound cleaner when shouted. Play back the audio and listen for pacing and emphasis. If a word gets swallowed in the shout, give it a little breathing room by moving the tag to just before the exact phrase you want emphasized, or shorten the shouted chunk so it hits cleanly. Then click Generate Speech again to hear the update. A couple of quick iterations usually dials it in perfectly, and that's it. By opening text-to-speech, switching to 11v3 alpha, choosing your voice, inserting shout, shouting, yes, or scream right before key phrases, and generating the audio, you'll get a convincing shouting effect exactly where you need it. Try a few variations to find the intensity that fits your project, and you're done.